Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto French toast muffins. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 7 ounces of cream cheese, and you want that softened to room temperature. A half a cup of some kind of confectioner sugar. I'm using the Monkfruit, and I just pulsed it in my NutriBullet to make the confectioners. Then you need 7 eggs, 4 tablespoons of butter, and that does not have to be room temperature because we are going to melt that. Then you need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of a nutmeg. And then you also need a muffin tin, and you want to spray that generously with cooking spray. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and spray your muffin tin if you haven't done that already. Alright, next I'm going to melt my butter in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds until it is nice and melted, but not so much that it pops. Alright, my butter is melted, so I'm just going to set that to the side, and that gives it a chance to cool off a bit before we add it to our mixture. So next, in a large bowl, we are just going to beat our softened cream cheese and our confectioner sugar until it is nice and fluffy, so that's going to be about 2 minutes. Alright, the butter is melted, so I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. It gives it a chance to cool off a bit before we add it to our mixture. And now in a large bowl, I'm going to cream together my cream cheese and confectioner sugar. And you just want to beat that on high until it's smooth and creamy, so about 2 minutes. Alright, that looks great. So next we are going to mix in our eggs, cinnamon, protein powder, vanilla, and nutmeg, and just stir that and then add in our melted butter, and it should be cooled off by then to not mess with the eggs. Alright, my mixture is all incorporated and it is really runny. I'm not sure if you can tell. I'll show you here. But now we are going to just fill up our muffin tins, and you want to fill them almost all of the way full, but you should have enough for 12. And then we're going to bake them for 18 to 23 minutes. Alright, those look pretty even to me. So like I said, I'm going to get those into the oven at 350 for 18 to 23 minutes. Okay, my French toast muffins just came out of the oven, and let me tell you, they smell amazing. So I'm going to let them cool off for about 5 minutes until they're easier to touch, and then I'll use a butter knife and go around the edges and move them to a cooling rack to cool completely. Alright, my little keto French toast muffins are all cooled off now. So you could just pop them in the microwave and put some sugar-free syrup on there, or you could just enjoy them just as how they are. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Good enough for Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.